Safety first, everyone. Make sure before working on your GEM remote control unit, you unplug the power and or turn off the breaker to the lift. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws at each corner of the control panel. Move the panel out of the way and detach the ribbon cable carefully from the receiver board mounted at the top of the control box. Using a pair of pliers, remove the rubber boot off the front of the toggle switch and then swing the panel out of the way. The transformer below the 2 contactors at the bottom of the box has a label and will tell you which color the 2 output wires on the transformer are. In this case, they're both red. These wires are normally coming out the bottom of the transformer. Included in your LiftMate box, you'll find 2 T-tap connectors that are red. Crimp each one of these T-tap connectors, as shown in the video, onto each of the low voltage transformer output wires. Be sure to engage the wire into the metal blade before closing the connector. Take the power cable out of the LiftMate box and locate the 2 plug-ins at the other end of the power cable. These plug-ins get connected into the T-tap connectors off of the transformer wires as shown. To connect the LiftMate limit switch sensor, find the red, black, and blue wires coming into the box and wire nutted to the receiver board. Tie the blue limit switch sensor wire into the wire nutted blue wires and the red wire from the limit switch wire into the black wire nutted wire. Plug the power cable into the LiftMate device. Then take the ribbon cable coming from the LiftMate device and with the black wire on the left facing you, plug it into the receiver board and then plug the panel ribbon cable into the other end of the ribbon cable coming from the device. Go ahead and energize power to the boat lift and control box. If the LED on the front of the LiftMate begins flashing quickly, you have successfully set up and powered the LiftMate device and you are ready to install it through the app. Unplug power again and then you can tuck the LiftMate device into the upper left side of the control box and then begin to close the box up. Close the control box panel up as shown in the video. After the box is closed up, you may supply power to the lift again and begin installing the LiftMate device through the app, which you can find on your app store by searching Lift-Mate.